How to tie the farmer's loop. So as you can see, I've got my rope laid out in front of me, and to tie the farmer's loop we tie it in the bight of a rope. So the first thing I do is I get hold of my rope and I just pass it over the palm of my hand like so. Once I've done that, I take the top end and I bring it around and pass it over the palm of my hand for a second time. I then do exactly the same again, bring it round, pass it over the palm of my hand, and there we now have it. We've got 3 lines on the palm of our hand. The next thing we do is we take hold of the middle one and we pull a bit through, and we take the middle one and pass it over the right hand one. We then take the middle one again and pass it over the left hand one. We then take the middle one again and pass it over the right hand one. And then finally we take the middle one again and just gently pull up on it, and as we pull up, dress it nice and smartly, and there we have it, 1 in number, farmer's loop.